So how to make your first $500 per day profit with ClickBank affiliate marketing using Google Ads. So as you can see over here, right, in my case, I'm making, as you can see, right, 111 euros, 57 euros. This is all in one day, right? 128 euros, 119 euros. Right? All these are transactions every single day that are coming in from this one affiliate system. Now, how I'm doing this is I'm using Google PPC, basically Google pay-per-click ads. Now, how this works, let me show you exactly in this video how I'm able to make this money, right, promoting the system. So as you can see over here, right, the first thing you have to remember is traffic. What is traffic? Traffic is the number of users who will visit your website or blog. So if you have a landing page on ClickFunnels or GrooveFunnels, right, if you have 1,000 visitors, it means this is your traffic. Those are the people who come to your page. But now, the most important thing is out of 1,000 people who visit your page, who are the real quality buyers? You see, people who visit your page, it doesn't mean everyone is the buyer, right? There are some who are curious enough to know about what is your product, what is your service, what is your business about, right? And there are people who are buyers, who actually want to buy that supplement, who want to get the access to your coaching program or your digital e-learning program or whatever you are promoting on ClickBank or MaxWeb, right? So let me show you exactly what is really important, right, in this case. So let's say this, we have Google Ads. Now, the most important thing is quality over quantity, right? It doesn't matter how many clicks you get. It matters what kind of clicks you're getting. For example, if I promote a weight loss offer to females who live in Canada, UK, Australia, and Germany, right? And who are, let's say they are 35 years old or older, up to, let's say up to 65 years old, right? That's my demographic, right? That's my market. 35 to 65 years old, females. Great. Okay, let's say females. Now, the next thing is, what is their interest? I always tell you, right, you have to remember, Google Ads is the best. Why? Because you can target people in the time when they are looking for the solutions to their pains and problems. For example, if a female in UK right now or Canada is looking for the solution to weight loss, why weight loss? Because weight loss is evergreen niche, right? Imagine you have people who are fat, who are overweight in US and Canada, right? And the doctor told them, okay, you're gonna get cancer, you're gonna get diabetes, right? All these horrible diseases. So they have no choice. They need to decide now. They have to lose weight now, and they're looking on Google exactly for the solutions, the pains and problems, of course, right? Who doesn't look on internet for problems online? So you have to remember, your blog or your advertorial or your landing page need to connect with your audience where they're at the moment, not where you want them to be, but where they're at right now. So for example, let me give you an example, simple easy example. Let's say that 39 years old female from UK, right, got just diagnosed with diabetes from her doctor. The doctor say, look, you need to lose weight in 6 months or you're going to die, right? You need solution right now. And what she's going to do is she's going to go on Google and look for weight loss pills. Why? Because most people, they don't want to go to gym, they don't want to spend money on memberships for the gym. They want solution like this. They want it right now, right? So that's what I'm telling you. You have to understand your audience. And what I'm doing with my personal clients, with coaching one-on-one, is we connect together as a family. One-on-one, we connect. And then you need to have someone to help you one-on-one personally to basically get the results you desire, right? you have to invest some money and a little bit of time to get the results you desire. So remember, right? It's all about Google Ads because we're looking for buyers, and it's all about having someone to help you one-on-one, step-by-step, and hand-holding you along the way to get the results you desire, right? So if you're watching this video right now, and if you want to get this kind of results, let me show you over here, right, on my IG. Let me show you. I'm not sure if you can see, but you can follow me here, right, on my Instagram. After watching this video, you can see everything from here, right? So you can see everything on my IG. You can connect with me on Facebook, WhatsApp, or email, right? You can find the links below this video. But the most important thing is this: you cannot procrastinate, right? If you're procrastinate and waiting and over analyzing everything, you will never achieve the greatness you desire, right? So you have to put pedal to the metal and take action now. So as you're watching this video right now, I'm asking you, take action now. Do something, at least do something for yourself so that you can get the results you desire. Again, thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and if you have any kind of questions, you can reach out to me on my IG, Facebook, WhatsApp, or even email after in the links in the description below. Again, thank you for watching and see you in the next one.